Guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna play Rivals. The new weapon just came out. I didn't get it. Okay, we are going to Usames. We are back now. How much it costs, by the way? I only have 45. Thank God. I'm gonna put some wrap. This one is cool. About a vial, a burning sword. Yes. Now let's just play a game. Just in case you're gonna bring a Uzi. I make it Katana. Look at this new photo. Let's go for arena. Just play with Crossroads. Let's go play Crossroads. Gunboy, easy. Katana. It's invisible. It's in. Gonna swing. Oh no. Oh god, it was. Can't hit me. Who's gonna know? Dad? Come here. Oh, he's slow. He just have the katana. He doesn't know. I forgot, guys. There's a dash on the sword too. What is this guy doing? I fell down. What is this guy doing? Guys, I'll turn up the auto shoot. Look at my real aim. Let's go for another one. Just gonna turn it on, okay? I'm gonna lose. This is why I'm a sniper user, guys. And the phone is super good, and the headshots, that's super good. No arena. No back rooms! Yes. Those back rooms. Just in case he's gonna use sniper. He doesn't. This is the crossbow. Oh, nice shooting. I'm low. Oh no! He's dead! Let's go! I just need to use the media because I'm low. Okay, weapon, same weapon. Gunblade versus Gunboy. I'm the better one. I missed. Oh yeah. But I don't know, we can change. Look, you can change. Oh, you ran out. You ran out. Okay. Using the normal, the safe and the gun blade. Goodbye. No. She's gonna cut cannot katana me, dude. But you guys can. You have spray. Is gonna go to the trampoline. No, he's gonna go here. Use this. You need to use a sniper. I'm joking. We need to win one game. That one though. What the heck? What? Oh, maybe. I went to hit three times. I hit him 3 times. He didn't die. Okay, he didn't get the headshot of the other one. I just still gonna come over here. Yeah. There's still one of this. This is hard to win. This is hard to win. Look, he's gonna change. No, he's gonna change. He's gonna change. He's kind of good. Or 7, and so he's gonna climb with it. Oh no. Guys, I hate the way you sit down. Where's... Yep, one peekaboo, you die. Tomorrow, guys, I will make a Black Sports video. Look, I already ran out of minutes. No. I said no. I changed it to the I said, I'll change this. They can chasing him. He knows, he knows. Oh! Sneak attack! GG, boy! I almost got it on my race in the daggers. That's a good dag. Oh, where is it? Trophy. It's kind of cool. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye.